How to bulk delete emails on Yahoo. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can bulk delete emails on your Yahoo Mail. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and head over to mail.yahoo.com and make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, here you can see all of your mails that is available. The more you scroll down, the more mail starts loading up. So you can first either just scroll down all the way as much as you'd like. Finally, press Ctrl plus A and select everything. You can scroll down again if you'd like, and after more mail loads up, you can then tap on Control A again. So there you can see a lot of the mails have been selected. The more you scroll down, the more mail starts getting selected. So you can scroll down all the way down if you want. There you can see we're almost at 1,000. So let's scroll down more, and there you can see 1,040 mails. After you've selected everything, here you will see the delete option. So tap on the delete button. You'll see delete these messages. Tap on delete. Doing that, you have bulk deleted almost 1,000 messages or mails. And yeah, this can take some time. So while this does that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, this will take a lot of time, so I'm not going to show you the full process. But after you've deleted all of those messages, tap on the three dots right here, then go to trash. And after you're on your trash, you can select everything from here and then delete everything for forever. That this is basically completely deleting your trash. You can tap, you can basically delete it and you're good to go. This will take some time to load as well. So just Control A and delete everything. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and take care.